Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeSphere. In today's video, we are diving into CSS Selectors, that is the foundation of styling web pages. If you are a beginner or want to brush up your skills, this video is very helpful for you. By the end of this video, you will master different types of CSS selectors and how to use them effectively. Don't forget to do like, share and subscribe for more amazing contents. So, coming to what are CSS selectors? CSS selector are patterns that is used to select and style specific HTML elements. They allow us to apply styles to particular elements that are groups or even based on the specific conditions. So coming to types of CSS selectors. First one is simple selector. In that we have single, group, ID, class, universal. Second one is combinator selector. Third one is pseudo selector, pseudo class selector. Fourth one is pseudo element selector. And finally, fifth one is attribute selector. So, what are you waiting for? You can see every selector with example code. Okay. So, the first one is simple selector. In the simple selector, we have single also known as tag based selector, group selector, ID selector, class selector, universal selector. First we want to see universal selector. For universal selector the symbol is star, that is this one. So first we have to write in body section code h1 so h1 close, then paragraph, then paragraph close. So we want to write this for CSS using CSS. So I want to use internal internal styles. So style close. So for universal, this is the symbol, right? Enter, close. In that we have to write property and value. Property is color, red. Okay, it's enough. So see the output. So universal selector means it gives these styles for all the web page which is present in the this all tags. Okay, see the output. See, H1 is also red color and paragraph is also, it shows red color. Why? Because we use universal selector. Universal means it gives that properties for all web pages elements. Okay. Then go to another one, that is element selector. Element selector is also known as tag selector. It is also known as simple single selector also. Okay, see this tag selector we can use single tag only, single element, that is h1 or else that is p. Okay, see we can replace the star to h1 tag. Okay, now we can see this h1 tag only, it comes under red color. This paragraph is default black color. Okay, see you observe the changes. Yes. Okay, then class selector selects elements with a specific class. For this class, the symbol is dot. Okay, see here we can give class equals to, okay, name. Here dot name. See, you can observe this class here. By that name, we can give the property and values, that is styles for the h1 element. Okay, now see this h1 element and tag only, it comes under red color. This paragraph is default black color. See. Okay, then go to id selector. id selector is also same as class selector, but previous videos I will tell you the differences between class and id. Okay, you can learn those differences in that video, that is short video. See here, replace class as id name. Here the representation for id is hash. Okay, now see this is also same output. Then go for group selector. Group selector is the combination of several elements. So see, we can remove this here, here also. I want to give color as both h1 element and paragraph tag. Then h1 comma p. This is group selector. So see, this is also working. This is all about simple selector. Then coming to combinator selector. When we have nested tags concept, then we can use combinator selector. In that combinator selectors, we have four types: descendant selector, child selector, adjacent selector, adjacent sibling selector, general sibling selectors. Okay, see, in that combinator selectors, we have four types. Those are descendant, descendant selector, child selector, adjacent selector, adjacent sibling selector. Then general sibling selector. Okay, these are the four types of combinator selectors. Okay, you can see with the code. Then go to here. So first one, descendant selector. The symbol for this descendant selector is space. Selects elements inside another element. Okay, so you can write the code here. In the div tag, you can paste this code. Div. Okay, again we want to write paragraph. paragraph close. Okay. Now see the output. So for this descendant selector, you can represent with a space, right? So div space paragraph. I want to give this color in div tag, that is in div tag paragraph tag. For this hello everyone, that paragraph tag we can convert into red color. So see, only this element only it gives red color. Okay, this is the purpose for descendant selector. Then go to child selector. For this child selector, the symbol is greater than. Selects direct child elements. See, in the body, the child is div. In the div, the child is h1p. H1 tag and paragraph is both are childs for div tag. This total div tag is child for total div tag, and this paragraph tag is are childs for this body tag. Okay. Now you can give styles for child selectors. Okay. So see here in div tag. What is the child tag for div? That is paragraph. So see the output. Hello everyone. Okay. Then coming to adjacent sibling selector. For this, the symbol is plus. Selects the next sibling element. Next, first sibling and second sibling. Second sibling element, we can give the styles. So see, div plus paragraph. Okay. Now let's see the output. See, the next sibling, this one. This is the sibling. The next sibling is for this div tag, the next sibling. Entire body, we have two siblings. Div, two childs. Okay. Div is one and paragraph. For this div, the paragraph is sibling, right? That's why it gives color red color as this hello world. Okay, this hello world. The next one is general sibling selector. For this, the symbol is where it is, this one. Okay, now we can see this general sibling selector selects all siblings after a specific element. So see the output, this one. So this after this div, so we can give another paragraph also. So see, this both paragraphs will comes under red colors. So see the output. See, the first one is div tag. That div tag siblings are both paragraphs. That's why it gives after the tag where it is the siblings. Those all siblings comes to using those styles which are given into the code. Okay. The next one is mm, like attribute selector. Okay. Then go to attribute selector. So remove this div tag. For this, we can use ID 1. Then again, we can use H1. Hello, H1. Again, we can use H1 only. For this, ID is second. Okay, quotes pair. H1 close. So we can change the style tag. So this attribute selector selects elements based on the attributes. Okay, the attributes are ID, either ID, either class. We can use ID tag. Okay, H1. In this H1, where it is ID, those elements I want to change color. That color is red color. Color red. Okay. See this welcome to code sphere and this code sphere. These two are converted into red color. Observe this. See, welcome to code sphere and code sphere. These both are comes into red color. Why? Because I can use these attributes, right? ID1, ID second. That's why this is attribute selector. Where it is particular attribute, then we can use the styles for that elements. Okay. Then pseudo classes. This pseudo classes symbol is colon. Okay. So it selects elements in a specific state. Okay. Pseudo class. It is used to represent special states of an element. These are generally used in hyperlinks. Okay. Those are either hover, link, visited, active, first child. Like this, we can use this selector. Hover means it is the operation when we place the cursor at a particular place. It changes our either color or else it gives some particular action. Okay. Now see anchor tag href equals to hash. Again close. Hmm, download one. Download one. Then anchor tag close. I can copy this, paste it here. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Where we want to write styles in style tag, we can write this styles. Okay, remove this. For this anchor tag, right? Anchor tag colon link or else hover. First hover. Then I want to change color as red. When the cursor put it into the link, then the color changes into red color. Then a link. When we click on that word, then the color changes into blue. Then again anchor visited. When we visited that site, then the color is changes. Color is yellow. Anchor when it is the active, Then also it comes under color as violet. Now see this output. See, when we place this in download one, first all this has commented. So first see this one. So see, when we hover on this download one, it comes under red color. Okay, observe this. Then go for code, comment this, uncomment this one. Again, this is yellow color. When we click on this link, it comes under see another color. Okay, that is blue color. Again, we comment this. Comment this. Okay, when we visited, that comes under yellow color. Download 3. See. Or else change this color. See. See, we can visit this download 3. It comes under blue color. See. Okay. And again, it commented this. Uncomment this one. When it is active, the color is violet. See this violet color. Violet. Okay. Like this, we can use this pseudo class selector. Again, one more is there. Pseudo element selector. Delete this all and delete this also. This pseudo element selector is used to apply style to a particular part of an element. So suppose we have one element. In that element, we have to apply colors for that single word in the paragraph or a single word in the heading tag. Okay. For that purpose, we can use this pseudo element selector. Now see H1. Welcome to CodeSphere. H1 close. I want to give color for this H1 so that first letter for this first letter, that is welcome, only comes into red color. So what are we doing? H1 double colon. For this pseudo element selector, the symbol is double colon. Okay. First letter. First letter. I want to become a red color for this first letter in heading tag. So the color is red. Okay. We can see the output. See. Sorry. First letter means only W. First word. Most bold. Mm, we have first letter and first line also. See, break. Mm, hello, bold. See this. This is one line. This is second line, right? I want to become a red color for this entire first line. Then that case you can use first line. Now see this. Again, before, after. These all are pseudo element selectors. Okay, for like this we can use the styles for this select by using selectors. Okay, so that's all about CSS selectors. Now you know how to style elements effectively using different selectors, right? So comment below which selector you use the most. Subscribe to CodeSphere for more coding tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Like and share if helped you. If this video is helping for you. Okay. See you in the next video. Happy coding.